Hello world, so this is a presentation about iOS versus Android. So let's get into the presentation. So the main differences with iOS and Android are, well, Android is made by Google and this operating system was completely different from iOS. See, the reason is because iOS is only available on Apple iPhones. Meanwhile, Android is 100% open source, which means anyone can take the code from Android and reskin it or anything they do, anything what they want, and just make a completely new operating system or completely new UI out of that. Also, you can only have UI apps. Like for example, Samsung Good Look is only available for one UI, like that. Meanwhile, iOS was developed by none other than Apple, and this is the OS that is used in the first iPhone, the first touch phone, and it has to be the first touch phone OS, of course. In 2025, it has some amazing attention to details and really good and smooth and gorgeous animation. Oh my god, I don't want to say about these animations. If you are an iPhone user, the animations are good, but the functionality, I just hate it. I just hate the functionality. I mean, there should be launcher where it takes the Android animation to insanity, even more insane than even more insane than iPhone. And only in iOS 18 they are available to put their icons anywhere. That's interesting. Well, we had this literally in stock Android since Android 1 or something. Anyways, in iOS 17 nobody can live. Even lifelong Android users cannot live with iOS 17, I will say. Yeah, even with Apple intelligence, a lifelong Android user cannot even live. I'm saying that because of how lack of customization it has. Oh my god, I accidentally pressed the next key. Okay, so which is better? I prefer Android because there are a lot of options and I love options. I love customization. Of course, everybody needs customization. So there are launchers which turn Android literally better than iOS. You can have them. Yeah. So if you prefer one UI but you need the hardware from iPhone or something, yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, you can jailbreak and just go iPhone, but there is one UI. That's insanity. That's insane. Imagine that happens. Imagine if someone takes an iPhone 16 Pro Max and just jailbreak and just adds Android to it. That will be insane, man. But if you have a PC or a laptop or a tablet, if you have a PC or a tablet or a laptop, then it just matters. For example, if you have a Samsung Galaxy Book, then just go for Samsung Galaxy font. See, if you have a MacBook, just go for iPhone. But if you have a Windows, this is where it gets tricky. You just go for Android anyways. Because iPhones are better in iPhone ecosystem. Meanwhile, Android is better at almost everything. I will say almost everything. None other than an iPhone, of course, iPhone ecosystem. Why I'm saying iPhone ecosystem instead of Apple's ecosystem? Why? Okay, anyways, so it's up to you. Yes, you the viewer. Yeah, you just expected that. Just write down below which you prefer, I mean, Android are mostly there because it's cheaper. Some phones are cheaper. Some phones are literally only for Elon Musk. Who knows? Maybe there was a Elon Musk limited edition phone which we don't know. What can it be? Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? No, it cannot be that, of course. So it always matters to you. You just expected and you just clicked on this video. Why not? It's the whole reason. Yeah, it's up to you, the viewer, to choose which operating system of phone you want. Also the hardware, so hardware also matters. So yeah, that's it for the video. Bye bye. Also share this video. Also share my channel. Please subscribe. Bye bye.